In this guide, you'll learn how to fix your device is not compatible with the version of Android issue. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option software update. Sometimes updating your phone software can solve this issue. So tap on download and install to check if there is an update available for your device. If there is, go ahead and update your phone. This should fix the problem in most cases. If updating does not work, head back to main page of settings. Scroll up and find App section. Tap on Apps, then scroll down to locate Google Play Store. Once you are there, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache followed by Clear Storage. This will clear any stored data that might be causing the issue. Next, tap on three dots at the top right and select Uninstall Updates. This will remove the updates to the Google Play Store. Once you have done that, tap on it again and it should start reinstalling the updates automatically. If this still does not solve the issue, head back, navigate to the option Google Play Services. Scroll down to Storage, tap on Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. Once you do this, head back, click on three dots, select Uninstall Updates. After uninstalling, simply reinstall the updates for Google Play Services. Now lastly, give a fresh restart to your device. Once you have done all of this, your device should be back to normal and you'll no longer see the compatibility error. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.